was a relief on cost, and our saving from the drop in oil prices was 9 billion dirhams. Fuel has dropped to 26% of operating cost compared to a 35% in our previous financial year. However, it was still our biggest cost. The low fuel price also comes with a downside. It contributes to poor business and consumer confidence, and it adds downwards pressure on the airfare, impacting demand and yield. The US dollar continued to rise strongly against currencies in most of our key markets. This had a 6 billion dirham impact on the airline revenue and a 4.2 billion dirham impact on the airline bottom line. Despite these challenges, Emirates and Danata continue to grow and deliver solid result. As a group, we recorded our highest profit ever. It was at 8.2 billion dirhams. So this is a 50% more than the previous year, and it is a great result given the challenges of the year. Group revenue dropped by 3% to 92.9 billion dirham compared to our record revenue performance in the previous year, and this was mainly due to the unfavorable currency exchange situation. Based on our financial performance this year, the Emirates Group will issue a dividend of 2.5 billion dirham to our owner, the Investment Corporation of Dubai. For Emirates revenue, decreased to 4% to 85 billion dirham. This drop was largely due to the strong US dollars. Our profits increased by 56%, a new record of 7.1 billion dirhams. Revenue increased by 16% to reach 10.6 billion dirhams, and was achieved through organic growth and boosted by the first full-year integration of Stella Group operation, a business which Danata Travel acquired in October 2014 of the previous financial year. And Danata recorded its highest ever profit of 1.1 billion dirhams, crossing the 1 billion mark for the first time. Looking at our year ahead, the strong US dollar against major currency will continue to be a challenge. Also, we expect that the low oil prices will continue to be a double-edged sword, good for our operating cost, but bad for the global business and consumer confidence. Our industry has always been competitive, putting pressure on our yield, and we just have to stay ahead of the competition. That's why we are investing so much of our profit back into business. We expect another record delivery year in 2016 with 36 new aircraft to join our fleet. At the same time, 26 aircraft will be phased out. I think when you look at what happened in the geopolitical issue, I mean, if it is Paris, if it is Brussels, even the effect, it's beyond like that. So there is an effect, but it is something that we'll always continue to deal with it, and we see that, as I said, we have to deal with it in the end of the day.